All right, we're given machine R's rate is 36 and machine S can do the same job in 18 hours. So that's individual times. And if you want to represent that time or that machine working with another machine, you calculate its rate and it's always the reciprocal of its time. All right, and what am I trying to find? How many machines of type R were used, and we're told that they use the same number of machines. So I'm letting that be X. So if I take 1 over 36 times X, and that's yes, and add to that 1 over 18, the rate times the number of machines. That gives me a combination of, got a common denominator, that's going to be 1 over 36x plus 2 over 36x, which is 3 over 36x, which is what? 1/12 x. And remember, time times rate equals job. So our time, we want to figure, we want to do that in 2 hours times my rate, which is 1/12 x. And how many jobs am I completing? 1. So that's 1/6 x equal 1. And then clear your fractions by multiplying both sides by 6. X equals 6.